I think it's better. It's a better place to film you. Don't argue with me. Go on, do your stuff. Yeah, do your stuff. Have fun. Shows off your pretty colours. I just put Tako up on the windowsill and he's angry. See? Angry boy. I'm talking about you. Kiri's enjoying himself. Her so funny. She's a girl. Where's Kiri going? Come on, go and play with Kiri. Don't you like it? Yeah, there we go. It's not that bad. Not that bad up there. It's yummy, is it? What's in there? What's Kiri doing? Nice exploring. She loves eating everything. And he wants to mate. Look at that. So excited, huh? Exciting up there. Oh, made yourself a mess already, Kiri? So messy. Tako just wants to chat to the world. Or himself in the reflection. Is that right? Is that right? Is it fun? I know it's fun. You want something to eat, don't you? Ooh, what happened, Kiri? You're on the ground. And is Tako gonna join her? Let's see. Ooh. No, Kiri, you haven't learnt to fly. Ever since I clipped her wings, and she's grown it back. But she has not learned to fly back up again. Not had exercise. It's okay, Kiri. I mean, Tako. Kiri will learn. She will learn to exercise her wings. It's okay. It's okay. She's not in danger or anything. Don't need to be so concerned. You must be teaching her how to fly. Not that you can do it either. Isn't that right? Let's see where she is. It's so dark down there, isn't it? So dark. But there she is. So dark. I can't see her anymore. Oops. Kiri's climbing onto my shoes. That's right. Ooh, nearly there. Kiri, where are you? Where are you, Kiri? Tako's looking for you. Where are you, Kiri? Where are you? So dark. I can't see anything. That's how small Tako is on the window. So pretty, isn't it? I think Tako wants to join her. Come on. Alright, I'll go get you. He just met me. I'm enjoying Tako get agitated. So funny. It's so small. There she is. So much dark down there. Hello, Kiri. How do you feel being down here, huh? Do you feel anything at all? Tako's calling for you endlessly. Like a lover. Romeo is up there. And Juliet is down here. You're so curious, Kiri. No? So curious. The quest to find higher ground. I don't think it's possible, Kiri. We can try. I don't think Tako is willing to come down for you. He likes it up there. Let's take you up there. Kiri. Good girl. There we go. Now you're back again. And the adventures of Tako and Kiri continue. Yes, they do. And it's fun. And they're buddies again. They're not right. Buddies. Whoa! Now it's Tako's turn. Tako, where are you? Tako, why'd you have to do this to me? I will end this now. You should stop playing. No more time on the camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tako. Good boy.